back to the new session of our subject social science. Here we have already started lesson 5, location and time. In the previous video I have explained you about that what is the importance of location and time, and that's why I have also explained you about the globe, which is the replica of our earth, or you can say the model of our earth. We all have seen globe. Okay, next I have explained you about the latitudes. Latitudes means the horizontal lines. The horizontal lines which are imaginary. We imagine that these lines are there on our earth. It is not, they are not really on our earth, but we imagine. So we have already studied about latitudes. In this session we are going to study about the longitudes. Okay, as I have told you that latitudes, the other name of the latitudes, we also call the parallels of latitudes. उसको parallels भी बोलते हैं. Here longitudes we also call meridians of longitudes. मेरिडियन भी उसका एक अलग नेम है, इसको मेरिडियन भी कहा जाता है. ओके, व्हाट आर लॉन्गिट्यूड्स एक्चुअली? द वर्टिकल इमेजिनरी लाइंस ड्रॉन ऑन द ग्लोब दैट रन इन द नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन are known as longitudes. Now longitudes are also vertical. Vertical means सीधा. Okay, vertical होता है, and these are also the imaginary lines. These are imagined in our mind. We have visualized them that these lines are there, but actually these are not there on the surface of the earth. We have imagined them, we have visualized them because we need to find some location. We need to find the location of a particular area or the time of a particular area. So these are on the globe. They run from the north to south. See, as I have already explained you that these are latitudes. Okay. So how will be longitudes? Longitudes will be lines which are vertical. Vertical means सीधा. So I can say like this. Vertical, they are drawn on the globe that run in the north to south direction. Now this is the north pole and this is the south pole. So these run from north to south direction. Okay, इस तरह से ये lines draw की हुई है हमारे अर्थ पे. इमेजिनरी लाइंस ड्रॉ की हुई है हमारे अर्थ ग्लोब पे, अर्थ के ग्लोब पे. Now longitudes are also very much important. Why these are very much important? For example, suppose that we have only imagined latitudes in our mind. अगर हमने सिर्फ latitudes ही रखा होता, that means अगर हमने अर्थ पे imagine किया होता सिर्फ ये lines, okay, latitudes जो horizontal lines है उसको imagine किया होता, तो can you say that we can find exact location? अगर हमें time location पता चल जाता तो क्या हमें मिल जाता? Suppose this is 0 degree, that means this is equator. I will give you an example. अब यहाँ पे आता है 1 degree. 1 degree, this is 1 degree north. This is 1 degree south. Now if someone says that 1 degree, after 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, it will go on. Now someone says that we are living at 1 degree north latitude. अगर कोई ऐसे कहता है कि 1 degree north latitude, तो 1 degree north latitude is so much big from here to here. So how can we find his location? या उनकी location हमें कैसे पता चलता? Suppose he is living here or here or here. कहाँ? Where? So we cannot find the perfect location or time with only latitudes. Latitudes काफी नहीं है. Latitudes are not enough to find someone's location. That is why we also need longitudes. And here, this is the importance of longitudes. That if I will say that we are drawing this, suppose this here is a longitude. ये एक longitude है. Here this is 0 degree longitude. Okay. मैं आपको इसके बारे में आगे बताती हूँ. Same way जैसे इक्वेटर होता है, also there is a line at the middle of the globe. एक बहुत longitude, सबसे बड़ा longitude होता है जो बिल्कुल अर्थ के बीच में से क्रॉस करता है. That means globe के बीच में से क्रॉस करता है. That is called 0 degree. Now after 0 degree same यहाँ पे आता है. This is 1 degree. then 2, then 3, here also 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. But the thing is, after the 0 degree, the longitudes which are on the east side, they are called eastern longitudes, and the longitudes which are on the west side, they will be called western longitudes. So we will denote this side that 1 degree east and this side is 1 degree west. So now what will happen? Someone says that 1 degree north and 1 degree west. अगर एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन मिलता है 1 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड और 1 डिग्री वेस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड, तो हम उसको फाइंड कर सकते हैं दैट वो इसी एग्जैक्ट प्लेस पे रहते होंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट इज व्हाई लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. आई होप दैट लॉन्गिट्यूड्स का इंपॉर्टेंस आपको क्लियर हो गया है. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द फर्दर पार्ट. As we have seen that latitudes जो होते हैं उसमें भी कुछ important major latitudes are there which are very much important, and latitudes are important because we have divided the earth according to the heat zone. sun की जो heat पड़ती है उस हिसाब से हमने latitudes को important lines बना के उसको divide कर रखा है. Same way we have also given the major longitudes. Why they are important we will see. See, first of all, मेजर लॉन्गिट्यूड्स में सबसे पहले आता है 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड. एज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू हियर दैट 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड क्या होता है. सेम वे व्हाट इज 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड? द 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड दैट पासेस थ्रू ग्रीनविच इन इंग्लैंड इज नोन एज प्राइम मेरिडियन. नाउ आई होप आपको सुनते तो you have understood, but the 0 degree longitude is that longitude, you can say that imaginary line which passes through Greenwich in England. There is a place in England that is Greenwich. The line which is passing from there, it is termed as 0 degree longitude, and the other name of this 0 degree longitude is prime meridian. Remember this thing, it is very important that prime meridian क्या होता है. So I hope that is clear. And now why it is important? Because this 0 degree longitude divides the earth, divides the globe into 2 parts. As latitude, 0 degree latitude, that means equator, divides the earth into 2 parts which were northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Here also this 0 degree longitude divides the earth into 2 parts which is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Here you can see this line. Okay, after this line, here that side is eastern hemisphere and this side is western hemisphere. So हमें अर्थ को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवीजन मिल रहा है हमें अर्थ पे, that is eastern and western. Now same way अब longitudes जो होते हैं वो कितने होते हैं? How many longitudes are there? See. Same way, if there is this is 0 degree, अगर एक middle line होती है, after that line other lines are drawn. Same means if you will go anyway, so if there is any Q, अगर Q होता है तो पहले तो एक person खड़ा रहता है, right? Same way, यहाँ पे जो पहला person खड़ा है that is 0 degree longitude. After this other longitudes come. Other longitudes come 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. वेस्टर्न में ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में 1 डिग्री टू 180 डिग्री आते हैं, एंड ऑन द सेम वे वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में भी 1 डिग्री से 180 डिग्री बहुत सारे लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आते हैं, टोटल 180 एंड टोटल करोगे तो 360. अंडरस्टूड? सो सेम वे लॉन्गिट्यूड्स एक्सटेंड्स अप टू 180 किलोमीटर बोथ द साइड्स, ईस्टर्न आल्सो एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर आल्सो. नाउ once again, let's see that what we have learned now. First of all, we have learned about longitudes. Longitudes are the imaginary lines, vertical means straight, which are on the surface of the globe. And among them, 0 degree longitude is very much important. It is also called prime meridian because it divides the earth into 2 halves. Now next, let's move to the next topic. So next we have to study about the international date line. What is international date line? First of all, international date line is nothing but a longitude, as we have learned about the Greenwich longitude, Greenwich meridian 0 degree था वो. Here the 180 degree longitude is termed as international date line, which is in short called D L. Okay, it is ideal. What is the importance of this line or this longitude? When someone crosses this line, someone crosses this 180-degree longitude, then the day and the date changes. Okay, once again, why it is important? Because if someone is crossing, if you are crossing this line, if you are crossing this 180-degree longitude from here to here or from there to here, the day and date changes. Now, we will see how it is changed. First of all, international date time passes through Pacific Ocean. Okay, it passes through Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean से pass करता है longitude, and it is crisscrosses, means it is zigzag. In between this, there are many time zones which are coming in 180-degree longitude. 180-degree longitude में बहुत सारे time zones आते हैं. So in every time zone मतलब वो हर एक तरह भी crisscross zigzag करके घूम रही हो. Here you can see in the picture also that how it is crisscrossing or it is zigzag in this way. Up now, suppose if it is not zigzag and suppose if it is straight, अगर वो straight होता और zigzag ना होता, and why it is zigzag उसका reason देखते हो, okay? Why it is zigzag, it is not straight. Suppose if it is straight, then the line has to pass through many islands. In the Pacific Ocean, in between whatever islands are there, whichever islands are there, the line has to cross that, it has to pass from that. So, if it is straight, then it has to pass. Suppose here it is passing and here there are islands. So, what will happen, as we have learnt earlier, that if someone will pass this line, someone will cross this line, so day and the night will change. So, in the same island, if someone is passing, they will be having 2 dates, different dates and 2 different days. So to remove this confusion, this line is not straight, it is zigzag. Suppose here island is there, so it is passing from here to here, like zigzag. Okay, so to avoid this confusion, अगर ये line straight होता, if it is straight, then they will be having the persons living there or the someone which is crossing or living on the same island, they will be having 2 different days and 2 dates. Just to avoid this confusion, we have done it a zigzag way. And now what is the next thing? How it is done zigzag? Zigzag कैसे किया है? Suppose here is the ocean. And ये जो circles दिख रहे हैं, this is a land, this is an island or country you can say. So to avoid this land को थोड़ा दूर करने के लिए and to make a land, मतलब land पे एक ही day and एक ही night रहे, for this reason हमने ये लाइन को water bodies से क्रॉस किया है, मतलब ocean से क्रॉस किया है, so that confusion ना रहे. Understood? We are not passing this line from any land पे नहीं आए, water bodies से क्रॉस हो, water bodies को साइड करके वो आगे बढ़े. Okay, and land पे जितना हो सके कम है. Next is what will happen, how the day and night is changing when we are crossing this line. For example, someone is crossing the line. So east to west we are crossing from east to west. Then you have to add 1 day. आपका जो आप wherever you were earlier, उसमें आपको एक day add करना. And if you are crossing from west to east, अगर आप west से east जाते हो, then you have to subtract 1 day. आप wherever जब earlier पहले कहाँ पे भी थे, उसका एक दिन आपको subtract कर देना. Understood? This is the phenomena when we will cross this international date line. Here, ultimately, what we have learned that the date and the day will change if you will cross this 180-degree longitude. So here, I hope that you have understood the video properly. I hope that the longitude and the international date line are both clear. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you and have a nice day.